Okay, screencast 1.9, some online resources. Say you feel that you're weak on certain topics for first-year chemistry. You could look at any one of these over 200 screencasts to get a review. Say you don't know what an electron dot structure is. Well, you can go ahead and click on that. Let's actually do that and see if this actually works. And you can go ahead and watch a screencast that's devoted to that topic, right? So let's go ahead and play that.
Okay. Electron dot structures can tell us a lot about how different atoms tend to bond.
So you'll see that this is just a minute and 55-second video that tells you what electron dot structures are and gives you just an overview. So within a couple minutes, it could be a quick way to go ahead and find out what you didn't know. And there's lots and lots of them. So all you got to do is click on them, and there you go. These are also available on the website chemistryacademy.org. I've taken a look at some of the online resources, and really this is a very much partial list, but it's kind of my favorites for additional resources. Very professionally developed topic presentations were developed by Paul Anderson at the website Bozeman Science. He's got maybe 50 or 60 different topics that are covered, and he's very understandable. He doesn't cover anything in terms of individual solved problems, things like that, but it's a nice thing to watch to feel what thermochemistry, for example, is all about. The website that I created, chemistryacademy.org, has lots of first-year videos as well as all of these screencasts, so you may find that useful. Have a look at it. That's really our class website. The College Board must be mentioned since they're the final word on everything. I typically would go to them if there's some disagreement. How long is the test actually? You're getting different answers from different people. Go to the College Board for the final word. A fascinating website, although he has converted into a pay website partially, is Adrian Dingle's site. He's controversial, he's fascinating, he's helpful. There's a very complete site known as ChemiBear that has some dated material, but it's awesome. And you might be surprised how good a online site that's a general one for all sorts of science called LearnRater. They've really created quite a bit for self-tests and things like that for AP Chemistry. That's a good one. I've found that if you really need to get into the most difficult stuff and the crux material that deals with buffers or something like that, there is a, I think it's not Udemy, but one of those other online courses created, and this is a Southern University. I'm not doing her justice. Sorry, Professor Allison Salt, but this is a great website for getting clear understanding of the complex parts of advanced chemistry. So get stuck on something, try this site out, especially for the difference between, say, a 4 and a 5 on the AP chemistry test. Okay, those are some online resources. God knows there's plenty of other ones, but this is just an introduction.